Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky, and I've got one of the new 2019 Ram 1500s. Ram just brought this new body style out. It's completely revamped from the front to the back, inside and out. They really did well with it. This one's a Laramie trim level, so it's got leather interior with all the nice options. We've actually had this truck upfitted, so it's got a 2-inch leveling kit, TIS wheels, and they're also wrapped in Ridge Grappler rubber. So also got the windows tinted too. This new update on the body style really is nice. The fit and finish is so much tighter. These Ram trucks were overdue for an update, and Dodge did really well with them. You know, they're not really Dodges anymore technically. They call them a Ram 1500. So this is the Ram 1500. But this one's got a nice gray color to it. We've got it on sale for $54,837. Just kind of want to let you take a quick look at it. This one's got the 5.7 Hemi in it. We'll jump inside here and let you kind of take a look at the interior. It's got that good Hemi sound to it. You can see this new dash is updated. It's got all kinds of chrome accents. You can see the new turnstile knob. They've had that for a while, but they revamped that a little bit too. It's got the new Uconnect screen. It's got a kind of a higher resolution, higher DPI, so the screen looks really crisp. See down here all your air controls, heated and cooled seats, heated wheel. You see the LED readout there. Really, really nice truck. Plenty of room in the back. And guys, this truck's here and for sale. I'll put my 1-800 number down here at the bottom where you can get in touch with me if you need. Again, we've got this truck listed for $54,837. It's got the upgraded wheels, tires, leveling kit, and tinted windows. Thanks for your time and hope y'all have a great weekend.